this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the solar stair light from the Dollar Tree. There's no unboxing because there wasn't a box, but I'll show what the tag looks like. It says it's 3 lumens, so it's not going to be very bright. It's a solar stair light, and it says battery included, rechargeable 1X AAA. This is what the back of the tag looks like. And in the photo it shows that it's installed on a fence. So I guess that's one idea for how you could use it. This is what the inside of the tag looks like. It comes with 2 plastic inserts and 2 screws. So this is what the front looks like. It has just one LED. This is the side. This is the back where the solar cell is. That's the other side. In the front. I'll show the bottom of it. So on the bottom it has these 2 holes where you can hang it. It has a on-off switch, and it looks like the on-off switch is covered in plastic. That might be to make it weatherproof, I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm going to test it by turning the lights in the room off, and it'll turn on automatically. Already switched the switch on the back of the device to the on position, otherwise it will stay off all the time. And it's a little bit difficult to switch the device on, I think, because it has like a plastic cover over the switch, so you have to press it kind of hard when you turn it on. So I'm going to turn the lights in the room off now. Lights in the room are off and it turns on automatically. Now I'll turn the lights in the room back on. It turns off. I'll do that again. Lights in the room are off. Now it turns on. And then I'll turn the lights in the room on and it turns off. So that's how it works. In conclusion, this was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. It's not real bright. It says it's 3 lumens, and I think it's a good deal. The build quality is not the highest build quality. It's probably, middle ground build quality. And the only question is how long it's going to last. That I don't know. But for $1.25, I think it's worth trying out. I'm not sure what I'm going to use mine for. I might put it on a fence or maybe use it somewhere else. You might even be able to use it inside if you can install it somewhere near where it gets sunlight.